Hey YouTube family, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that a lot of men are curious about, but don't always know how to approach. We're talking about anal sex, and more specifically, how to make a woman feel comfortable and willing to explore this kind of intimacy with you. Now, we're not about manipulation or pressure. This is all about mutual respect, understanding, and building trust in the bedroom. So, if you want to know how to navigate this sensitive subject and create a space where both of you can enjoy the experience, stick around. 1. Respect and communication come first. The first and most important thing you need to understand is that respect and communication are everything when it comes to anal sex, or any kind of sex, really. You can't just jump into this without having an open, honest conversation with your partner. It's all about creating a safe space where she feels comfortable sharing her feelings, desires, and boundaries. Start by bringing up the topic in a casual, non-pressuring way. Maybe you're having a conversation about things you both want to try in the bedroom, and you can gently ask how she feels about anal sex. Listen carefully to her response. This is key. If she's hesitant or uncomfortable, don't push. Instead, ask questions to understand where she's coming from and be respectful of her boundaries. Remember, if she doesn't want to do it, that's her choice, and it's important to respect that without pressuring or making her feel guilty. Consent is non-negotiable. 2. Build trust and comfort in your sexual relationship. Before you even think about bringing up anal sex, you need to make sure that there's a strong foundation of trust and comfort in your sexual relationship. A woman needs to feel completely secure and safe with you before she even considers something as intimate as anal sex. This means showing her that you care about her pleasure, respecting her boundaries, and never making her feel like she has to do something she's not comfortable with. The more trust and comfort you build in your relationship, the more open she may be to exploring new things with you. If she feels confident that you'll listen to her, respect her feelings, and take things slow, she's more likely to consider trying something new, knowing that her needs and boundaries will be respected. 3. Educate yourself on anal sex. Another key aspect of making her comfortable with the idea is to educate yourself about anal sex first. It's crucial to know what you're doing before you even bring it up. Anal sex isn't like vaginal sex. It requires preparation, care, and a lot of patience. If you come across as informed and thoughtful about it, she'll trust you more. Understand that anal sex requires proper lubrication, gentle pacing, and attention to comfort. Take the time to research techniques, positions, and tips for making the experience as pleasurable and painless as possible. Knowing what you're talking about will not only put her at ease, but also show that you're serious about making sure she enjoys the experience too. 4. Start with other forms of intimacy. If anal sex is something you both want to explore, don't just dive into it. Start by easing into it with other forms of intimacy that can build up to anal play. This could involve gentle massaging, touching around the area, or using toys to stimulate her in a way that helps her feel more comfortable. The goal here is to make sure she's fully relaxed and at ease with this kind of touch. Taking it slow and starting with smaller steps will not only help her feel more comfortable, but also give her time to adjust to the idea and sensations. Pay close attention to her reactions. If she seems uncomfortable or tense, stop and talk to her. This isn't a one-size-fits-all approach, and every woman is different. What's important is that she feels in control of the experience. 5. Talk about pleasure, not just your desire. When discussing anal sex, make sure the conversation is not just about what you want. Instead, talk about how you can both find pleasure in it. Anal sex can be enjoyable for both partners, but it's important to communicate that you're focused on her comfort and pleasure, not just your own. Tell her that you want her to feel good and that you're willing to take things slow and explore together at her pace. Explain that anal sex can be an intimate and pleasurable experience when done right, and you want to make sure she's feeling just as satisfied and cared for as you are. 6. Take things slow and listen to her body. Once she's agreed to try anal sex, remember that taking things slow is absolutely essential. Start with plenty of foreplay to get her fully aroused and relaxed. The more relaxed she is, the easier and more enjoyable the experience will be. Always use plenty of lubrication and go slowly. Listen to her body and check in frequently to see how she's feeling. If she's feeling any discomfort, stop and adjust. This is not the time to rush. Patience is key. 7. Be ready to stop if she's uncomfortable. Even if she's agreed to try anal sex, it's crucial to understand that it's not a guaranteed yes for every moment moving forward. If at any point she feels uncomfortable or changes her mind, you need to be ready to stop immediately. Respect her boundaries, no questions asked. The goal here is to make sure she's fully comfortable and enjoying the experience, not just doing it for your sake. If she says stop, there's no negotiation here. The more you show her that you're willing to respect her boundaries, the more trust you'll build, which could lead to more open experiences in the future. So, if you want to make a woman feel comfortable and open to trying anal sex, it all boils down to respect, communication, trust, and patience. Start by having an honest conversation. Build a strong foundation of trust. Take it slow, and always put her comfort and pleasure first. The more you show that you care about her experience, the more likely she'll be to explore this type of intimacy with you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Inner Wellness Us, for more content that dives deep into intimate topics. Until next time, keep things spicy and always respect your partner's boundaries.